Specifically to deal with stress, I think it's just looking at it from outside yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Like even right now, I won't give details, but 2 days ago, I won't give details, but 2 days ago, I lost $150,000.
Okay.
It's a lot of money.
It
So,
is.
so I could sit and worry and cry and da da da. Now I'm doing my best actively to get that money back.
Mm-hmm.
But also, you have to look at it from outside yourself and sit and think and just understand that two things. One, the sun's going to keep on rising. It's going to go down, it's going to come up, and the world's going to keep spinning. And there's a whole bunch of people out there who have their own problems, and no one else gives a fuck. The reason I'm not going to sit and lament about my issues and cry about it is because no one cares. And for me to sit and believe other people care is the biggest mistake I could make. Nobody fuck. Even if I were to die in a car crash tomorrow, there'd be a few tweets. Remember that guy, oh, RIP, RIP. In a week from now, the Twitter timeline will still be going on. The world will still be spinning. The sun will still be going up and down. And I might get thought of now and again. But in general, I'm history. This is it. The world's not going to stop for nobody.
That's a very humbling thing to.
It's super humbling.
Yeah.
And then when you do that, you think about your stresses and your problems, and you realize that in the grand scheme of the universe, okay, right now I've got two girls, both with kitchen knives, threatening to kill me, waiting for me at my feet. Okay, that's a problem.
What is it? What's that like?
Ninja, bro. They ain't ready. They ain't ready for Big Daddy T. They ain't ready. They come at you with their feeble, murderous attempts.
You're a kickboxer, so
they come out the game. So, but in the grand scheme of the world, in terms of the size of the planets in the solar system, how important is that event? Who gives a fuck? In 5 years from now, everything that's stressing me out right now, in 5 years from now, will I still be stressed about it? Well, the answer is no. Yeah. So time is going to heal it. So why don't I just accelerate that process using the power of my superhuman brain and thinking, you know what, in a few years, I'm not going to care. So why don't I just stop caring now?
Yeah, so
it's trained, you know?